Hi guys, Chris here from Super Savvy Travelers, and I'm so excited once again. It seems like I say that a lot. I think you all know DauvO over on the other channel, and we've loved his channel for a long time. And I got an email from him and he wanted to interview me, which I was so excited about because I was like, oh yeah, okay, good. So we did. We sat down and we had an interview. We talked about one-year-old houses. We talked about Italian property purchases. We talked a little bit about the Italian auctions. We talked about what brought us to Italy and just about everything that you possibly want to know about how we ended up doing what we're doing, which is a really, really fun thing. It was wonderful to sit down with somebody who's so on the same page with us and work together. So I'm putting the link down in the details section, so go there and go watch the interview. You're going to love it. Subscribe to DauvO's channel, subscribe to our channel, and then also stay tuned because I'm going to interview him for our channel, and we're going to talk about Italian auctions. We're going to talk about what brought him to Italy, a little bit of his story, which is fascinating. So stay tuned for that. Now, if you haven't already signed up for the course and you're looking at purchasing Italian property, you really need to do that. So I'm going to put a link in the details section as well. So anyway, go over to DauvO's channel right now, start watching the interview. You're going to love it, and stay tuned.